Join us as we show you what it's like to stay at the Gibsons Garden Hotel in Gibsons, British Columbia. Located in the lobby is their complimentary grab-and-go breakfast, which includes coffee, tea, juice, muffins, and fresh fruit. We just checked into our room. We are in room 312. Let's check it out. All right, when you first come in, you got a little kitchen area, microwave and fridge. All right, and then we'll come around here. This is the sleeping area. This one has 2 beds in it. TV. Little seating area. Not the nicest of views, but it will do. I'll just check out the closet area. There we go. We will just quickly check out the bathroom, and that is going to be our room for 2 nights. All right, so we'll just quickly check out the bathroom. Pretty small, but it will do. Check out the many amenities of this hotel, including a courtyard garden with a fish pond, gazebo, and many flowers. There is also a large heated pool, hot tub, sauna, and a fitness room. Good sized pool, actually. Outdoor hot tub. Oh, I guess you have to go out that door to get it to it, eh? Oh, there is fish in there. The red ones. If you're in the area, we highly recommend this hotel. I hope this video was helpful, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.